What is going on, y'all? Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com. Crystal will be here right beside me, but it's cold outside. She's inside where it's nice and warm. But I want to talk to y'all real quick about the Brick by Brick launch. So, many of y'all probably know we moved up from Bryant, Arkansas to Northwest Arkansas. We got this awesome new compound. We did that move in August. We did a Brick by Brick launch in August. So basically, anybody that bought bricks that entire month and used the code Brick by Brick at checkout got a 15% discount and their name on our wall. We don't ever do discounts with the bricks. We'll never really do them again that I can think of. It's just not where we really operate. But we wanted to kind of pay it forward and show our appreciation for all y'all that have supported us over the years and helped us in making this move. So that was in August, and Ellen, one of our amazing crew members, is the only one with decent enough handwriting to legibly write everybody's names on the wall. So since August, she's been out here slaving over these names, getting them all done, literally day by day, brick by brick, and she's got them pretty much all wrapped up. However, we got this little section here that doesn't have any names on it. So in order to complete the wall and fulfill what we had started out to do, we're going to do one more little brick by brick week, not a month, but a week, and we started that on the 2nd of this month, so January 2nd on Sunday, and it's gonna go through until this Sunday, January 9th. So when you're watching this on Friday, or whatever day you're watching this, you have until January 9th at 12 noon Central to also jump on this Brick by Brick launch. Now, for any of you that did not know about the first Brick by Brick launch, basically, this is the opportunity to get your name on the wall, have us honor y'all and helping us build this business and make it to what it is now. However, when we did this Brick by Brick launch this week, everybody jumped on. Everybody's got their New Year's resolutions. They want to start off with good quality nutrition and hit the ground running. And the most favorite flavor, chocolate peanut butter cup, sold out practically instantly. However, we've been hard in the kitchen making chocolate peanut butter cup bricks all this week, and we have just restocked our entire supply of chocolate peanut butter cup bricks. So with the last few days remaining on this launch, if you want that flavor, feel free to check out KetoBrick.com, get your chocolate peanut butter cup bricks, and stock up for the new year. Take advantage, get your 15% discount code, get your name on the wall, and continue being a part of this family, being a part of this legacy, and just doing what we're doing to add value to this community. So thank you all so very much. Happy New Year to you. We love you, we thank you, and we'll talk to you soon. I'm going to go inside and get warm.